Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new products from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to be reviewing her new brow pen and also her two lip stains. One in the shade Dusty Rose and one in the shade Black Cherry. I couldn't decide between the two, so I decided to just get both. I'm really excited by these and I'm really intrigued by them. If you are intrigued by this video or this launch, then please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. First I'm going to start with the brow pen. So this product is £23 and $29 US, 0.5 mils, 0.017 fluid ounces. This is the shade dark brown, which I basically am in all Anastasia Beverly Hills products, so I felt like this would be the right one, hopefully. At the moment on the website they have two-star reviews, which is really worrying. I'm not sure about this launch. I feel like I'm the only one that's trying it and buying it. I feel like a bit silly, but I just really wanted to try it. I don't know why. So it says super fine tipped detailing pen that creates natural looking brow hairs. As you can see, my brows are very overgrown from quarantine and also very sparse as well, so hopefully this works. Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen easily builds dimension by micro stroking in areas you want more fullness. The waterproof formula glides on effortlessly with a feather-like feel, creating unparalleled hair-like detail with precision and mimicking the appearance of natural hair for a fuller looking finish. It looks kind of just like a liquid eyeliner. I'm a bit nervous actually. A pen like this seems so much more permanent. Wow, it does look really full, bloody hell. It definitely looks really full. It might look a bit too full. I'm gonna try it on the other side. Okay, it looks a bit better. I'm not mad at it. I do quite like the boldness of it, but it's not really the color I thought it was going to be. So for that reason, it's not my favorite yet. I have done my eyes, done my mascara. I'm actually really starting to enjoy this brow. I feel like it's kind of calmed down a bit. I put a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brows in Supermodel on top, and it kind of just mellowed out the front a bit and also kept everything a bit groomed. So I think that's a really nice combination if it's a little bit too dark for you, if you can find something a bit more brown. Next, I'm going to do the lips. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip stain. It is $23 US and 19 pounds. It says it is a long wearing lip stain with luxurious matte color. And it says Anastasia Beverly Hills lip stain delivers smooth, waterproof color with amazingly comfortable wear for luxurious, kissable lips. Its innovative formula goes on as light as water and feels like you're wearing nothing at all, yet delivers lush pigment that stays put all day without drying out lips. Indulge in this incredibly long-lasting, weightless lip stain with some serious staying power. So from what I've heard online, I haven't watched any videos, but from what I've heard, this really doesn't come off. So I'm not going to do a wear test because from what I've heard, there's no need. But even though that is a bit concerning, maybe, I do quite like the fact that it will last. A lot of lip products don't last a day and you'll apply something and then eat or drink and it's gone. And I'm one of the kind of people that always forgets to reapply. So I feel like for me, this could be quite a good product. I've got two of the lip stains. They are in the colors Dusty Rose and, what's the other one? Black Cherry. These are £19 on the Anastasia Beverly Hills website. They're 23 US dollars. So these are actually a lot thinner and slimmer than I thought they would be, but I do really like the fact that they're matte. I feel like the packaging is super cute, and I like that the packaging and the box are the same color. And I just think this is really nice packaging. It's very modern, but very simple and quite chic as well. So I think it's really nice. So this is the shade Dusty Rose. It's actually a really nice color, and I feel like it is flattering. It is a bit richer than I thought it was going to be, and I do see it kind of staining the lip, but I'm not mad at it. I feel like this would wear quite comfortably and quite nicely. But it is quite sheer still, and it does still feel a bit creamy. It doesn't feel dry on the lips, which is really nice. It looks very natural as well. It doesn't look very thick. It doesn't look like you've got a lot of makeup on. It just looks like you've got a really nice, vivid lip. It's quite bright. I feel like for a lip stain, this is actually really pigmented and it looks really punchy. It looks kind of like I've got a lipstick on. It's really strong in pigment and it's not too sheer. It does dry down really nicely, but it still looks like it has a bit of a sheen to it, which I do like. So yeah, it's probably a bit annoying that they don't rub off. But at the moment, knowing that I've got like a day or an evening or whatever ahead of me and I'm gonna eat and drink and it's not gonna come off, I quite like that. The smell is a bit fake. It's like a fake black cherry for both of them, but they're actually really nice. And yeah, I'm pleased with them. Do what they say on the tin. They're a very, very long-lasting lip stain. Potentially they might be too long lasting. I do think they're good products. I feel like they're both good ideas. I think the brow pen, she just needs to tweak the shade, and the lip stain, she just needs to tweak the staininess of it. But I do like it. I feel like the colors are really nice. I'm glad I picked those two colors, and I'm kind of glad I've got them because I am going to try and use them and see how long they last. And I feel like they both look good on. It's just about trying to get them off. That is the difficult thing. But anyway guys, I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.